don't know if this is working. I will try and figure that out in a second. So just give me a minute. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna take that one off unlisted. So alright. So what it should be is I should have making a case right now. And as long as that is muted, we should see stuff working. Alright, yay. So, as a little bit of a brief explanation of what happens here, I have OBS here. Whoops. Yeah, that's a little bit of an issue there, but doesn't that look cool? It's probably bad for my computer, but... And then I have over here as my YouTube live streaming dashboard, which just kind of got weird, but there we go. As long as it doesn't go offline like it likes to do, we'll be fine. So, today I'm in Autodesk Inventor. So, in a previous video, I said I was going to talk about making a case for this fire alarm I made here a while ago. As you can see, I made it out of a cardboard box, which looks horrible. So I'm loading Inventor up. And I'm going to use this nice button here. And we're going to print a nice case for that. So once Inventor loads, we'll get printing. I mean design, not printing, gosh. Live streaming is like the hardest thing to do, but... Because you don't get to edit all your blunders out, gosh. So, for anyone who's new with Inventor, this will be a great little tutorial for you guys. I just gotta move my mic over a little bit more so you can hear me. I'm not even up that high. Hey, let me get my mic level a little more. Yeah, not coming in on my chair a little bit. Alright, so what we need to do is start a 2D sketch and start 2D sketch. And now this may look a little weird, but if you select here, it's XZ plane, so always click here for XY plane. Here's what we got. I'm going to import in a rectangle and load that in. But that should be good. But now, once that loads in, I'm gonna get dimensions of this box. Like the peak dimensions. Ooh, wow. I don't think it works. So 4.4 inches. So I can just come here and go to there, and then I'm just gonna drag those dimensions out a little bit more. And then I'm gonna change that to 0.4 inches and enter that, and then use this little button here so I can see everything. And then that's height, and then this one's height. I'm gonna go down, it's gonna be a square of 4.4 inches. 4.4 inches. And then let me just fill that back in. So here's our 4.4 inch square. Now that I have that, I'm gonna finish sketch. And then zoom out a little bit. Go to our extrude function. And now you're going to, ooh, that's kind of bad. Just hit the microphone with my calipers here. And then just measure what the height should be. I'm gonna go 3 inches. So I'm just gonna go and put in 3 inches. And wait for that to load. So now now if I just go here, I can just move that around and rotate it. And then just rotate it so you can see that's pretty much everything. And go back to our normal view. And now I'm gonna start a 2D sketch. So right on this one. Now I'm going to select some millimeter. Yes, I do use this calipers a lot. I mean, what's my average box length here? And then I actually printed it a little thicker than normal. That's about it right there. So now the box dimensions here, since this is finalized, like there. Oh, to there. That's 4.4. So you can't change these, even like if you do that, so you can't change them. And then from there to there is 4.4. Now what I'm gonna do is add in a simple, I'm gonna make another box. And now comes the math part, so I'm gonna make this just about 4 inches on each one of these. 4 inch by 4 inch. That's changing to do. And then there to there, boom. And then here, now it's 4.4, but here, so what I'm going to do is actually put these ones in a millimeter, so I can just do what I normally do. So in millimeters, that'll be hundreds, 107, 108, 109. mm for millimeters. And check that. And there it is. But I must have actually did something wrong. Oh, there it is. 104, let me just change that back to millimeters. That's 113. 13, 14, 15. That needs to be 1.5, enter. And this value, I'm just gonna copy in there, and the dimensions from here to there, from there to there. Oh, it already exists. Huh. Place that back in there and check it. Now I'm going to just use the move tool and select the box and then move it, just to show you that it's a puny bit bigger than the other one. So now that's pretty much all we need to do. So now I'm gonna exit 2D Sketch. So this is pretty much the box that we want. I'm gonna have to do an extrude on this one. Cut, okay. Oh, poop. And I'm gonna undo that one. So for this one, if I was to go extrude and click on that one, that's our box. I'm gonna click OK on that one. Then this is in this box. Now I'm gonna see if I can move these. Oh wait. And just go back to my 2D Sketch here. Now I'm gonna move this one. Wait, move. Select the shape. It's gonna go up there. Move a base point. Make it so these two look kinda similar. Oh. Let me just measure it. I always just stick it on my screen. Doot, toot, doot, toot, doot, and good enough. Ow, that hurt. Now that we have that done, I'm gonna finish Sketch. And now zoom in right there. Go to extrude. That piece. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. And this one. Alright, so I've pretty much figured this out, but now I just have to get rid of that. I just think Inventor might have just messed up. Oh crap, it's not responding. I'm gonna turn off that camera. Boot. Well, that loads a little bit. Whoever is... Wait, I don't know, is that me? No, I'm not watching. Whoever is watching, could you please put something in the chat? Because I want to know who's here. Yeah, I know I'm going to do extrude. gonna select and extrude. Alright, let's start undoing. Alright. So here's what I need to do. Is extrude this. So that box is gonna come out like that. So what I need to do is get rid of this box. So I'll have to continue undoing. There we go. How I get this box. Now I'm gonna go front. Oh wait. I'm gonna at this for like 16 minutes. And then create a rectangle a little bigger. Then here's what I gotta do with dimensions. Is dimensions from there, that height. Now comes the fun part. More measuring. So gotta go here to 4.5. 4.4. 113. Remember that one. So then 1/5, and then always change that to millimeters, or else you're not gonna have that fun of a day. So now I'm gonna go here, and from this one to the top of that one, it's gonna come out, except oh wait, huh? I didn't do that right. To there, coming down. This needs to be that. 4.528. And then I'm gonna check that. So there we go. Now I'm going to draw a line, the line from here to here. I'm just doing a simple X trick here to there, and then this one gets a line from there to there, and then from here to there. Now we go to the move tool, and now I'm going to select this one, this one, this one. This one's that's on bottom. That one. That one. That one. And then move base point and see. I see the issue. I need to select different ones. Select there. Wait, select, and select. So there we go. Now move off base point. Yes. Now see I have that X right there. I'm just gonna align these two as close as I can get. Alright, so I do have the precise input here. Now X. Let's try. Boom. Now that looks better. Now I'm just going to delete these two sketch lines. Alright, close all this stuff out. Alright, delete. That's just unconstructing everything. And finish sketch. And I'm just gonna zoom out this. Just fit the thing in there. Now extrude. That's not good. Alright. 2D sketch. With that outer one rectangle, let me just show you how you can solve this issue if Inventor gave you this issue. Just draw another square around it. Finish sketch. Extrude. Boom. Now let me just go. This one. Extrude. Eight, 7, 6. $76 mm. And then into that, and select that plane, and then okay. But now did that work? Cancel. Alright, I made a box. Now, here's something very important that I'm going to show you. So when you go export, CAD format, wait for this to load. Now, I'm going to save it as CAD drawing to desktop. Desktop. Alarm box as, let me just see, as an STL file. Now, when you go to options, this is something you have to make sure. So, my slicer just runs in millimeters. It's set to inches normally, so you have to change that to whatever your slicer uses. So I already have that done. I'm just going to save that, and it's going to take a couple seconds to render. So let me just open up this alarm box. Now if that wait, you can't see it, huh? That happens, what you're going to want to do is rotate this 180 degrees. $180 to make it print better. Now I'm going to slice it and see how well does my Autodesk Inventor skills work. Make sure I have my slicer set. Go to draft. Draft usually makes it print faster. And yes, the two box. Oh, see, I put it in draft setting, and it's way easier to print. Now, yes, if you're wondering what the two boxes here and here are for, that is just to protect privacy. Now, I'm going to connect it to my printer. And once that's done, I'm going to pull out I'm going to heat up the extruder first off. And then I'm going to print it. And I will be back with you in 8 hours. So, I will just post another video to my channel, and I will probably go through this video and edit over everything and narrate it. So, if you want to go ahead and like this video, also please go ahead and share this video, and yeah, thank you and bye.